Imagine stepping into the heart of Disney's Hollywood studios, only to find beloved landmarks vanishing before your eyes in a whirlwind of renovation. It's a bittersweet reminder that change is the only constant in theme park magic. Fans, get ready for an insider scoop on the ongoing transformation of the Animation Courtyard, where pieces of nostalgia are being dismantled to make way for new adventures. But here's where it gets controversial. Some thrill seekers embrace the evolution, while diehards mourn the loss of iconic experiences. Stick around as we dive deep into the details, and you might just discover why this overhaul has sparked heated debates among Disney enthusiasts. Let's start with the Animation Courtyard demolition, a process that's been unfolding with careful precision. Picture this, the theater that once hosted the energetic Disney Junior Play and Dance show has had all its awnings and supporting frames stripped away, leaving behind bare patches on the walls where they used to hang. To put it simply for newcomers, awnings are those shaded coverings that protect entrances from the sun, and their removal is like peeling back the first layer of a familiar scene. Yet the colorful Disney Junior billboards still adorn the building, providing a visual reminder of what was. Out in the courtyard, a construction vehicle sits parked, hinting at the heavy machinery at work, while behind the protective construction walls, you can still glimpse the iconic Mickey-shaped entrance to the theater's outdoor queue, a small nod to the past amidst the chaos. As for the show itself, Disney Junior Play and Dance made way for the summer's Get Animated dance party, a fun temporary fill-in that's keeping the groove alive. And this is the part most people miss. Once the courtyard's full reimagining wraps up, a brand new Disney Junior spectacle will debut, promising fresh laughs and learning for little ones. It's like trading in an old favorite toy for an upgraded version, exciting but not without a pang of nostalgia. Moving on to the archway that once defined the courtyard's entrance, things have taken a dramatic turn. The lamps that added a worn, inviting glow have been taken down, exposing dangling wires on either side that dangle like forgotten threads of a story. For beginners trying to visualize this, think of it as the park's grand gateway losing its decorative lighting, much like removing candles from a birthday cake before icing it anew. The archway was fully sealed off just last week with construction barriers, and it's slated for complete demolition. A bold step that's reshaping the landscape. If you're wondering why such drastic measures, it's all part of refreshing the space to better fit the upcoming theme. Now at the courtyard's rear, the Star Wars launch bay sign has been completely removed, leaving only its rectangular frame as a skeletal outline against the backdrop. The themed facade, that intricate storybook-style wall, remains intact, though it's marked with some untidy smudges and partially obscured by a scrim, which is essentially a lightweight fabric screen used in construction to hide works in progress. This area is undergoing a significant shift. Star Wars Launch Bay, a beloved hangout for galactic fans featuring interactive exhibits and merchandise, is being swapped out for a refreshed take on the magic of Disney animation. To clarify for those new to Disney lore, this original attraction from the park's opening day celebrated classic animation techniques, and its return after a decade-long hiatus feels like a full-circle moment. The entire courtyard is evolving into the Walt Disney Studios lot, evoking the bustling backlots of Hollywood's golden age. But here's where it gets controversial. Replacing a modern blockbuster franchise like Star Wars with a throwback to traditional Disney animation might delight purists, yet it could alienate those who crave the edge-of-your-seat sci-fi thrill. Is this a nod to heritage or a missed opportunity for cross-generational appeal? It's sparking lively chats among fans who debate the balance between honoring the past and embracing the future. To give you the full timeline, the courtyard bid its farewell after September 24th, with construction walls popping up the very next day to cordon off the site. While some fixtures vanish, attractions like The Little Mermaid, A Musical Adventure, and Walt Disney Presents are staying open, offering a taste of continued enchantment nearby. The revamped courtyard, complete with the new Disney Junior show and the updated Magic of Disney Animation, is slated to welcome guests in 2026, a long-awaited reveal that's building anticipation. For a final glimpse before the big changes, be sure to check out our comprehensive last look at the Animation Courtyard and Star Wars Launch Bay, capturing the essence of what we're saying goodbye to. Stay tuned for the latest buzz on Disney parks by following WDW News Today on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. What are your thoughts on this transformation? Do you see it as an exciting leap forward or a heartbreaking farewell to cherished memories? And here's a thought-provoking question. In an era where franchises like Star Wars dominate pop culture, is reviving classic Disney animation the right move? Or should parks prioritize crowd-pleasing blockbusters? We invite you to share your opinions, agreements, or counterpoints in the comments. Let's discuss.